Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can issue credit note and allocate to a sales invoice in Zoho Books. This is useful for adjusting billing errors or giving refunds to clients. So you do have to make sure that you have the correct version to access all features. So once you've logged into your Zoho Books account, you will go ahead and navigate to sales, which is right here. So what you will have to do is you will look for credit notes, which is right here. So just go ahead and click the plus button icon, and you will basically just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just have to fill in the details. So you should select the customer, and then for the invoice, it's really up to you. So yeah, adjust it however you want. And for the date and reason, you just gotta fill everything in out basically. And then of course you gotta add the items and amount. So it should go ahead and scroll down a little until you see item table. So what you will have to do is you will just have to add your products or services and amount to reflect the adjustment. So you could just click add new row or add items in bulk. It really depends on you. So of course, fill in your item details and of course the amount for that, and you just gotta fill in everything out so that you will be successful in doing this. And yeah, once you've added everything you need, you will just have to allocate to invoice, and then you will click save as open or click apply. It really depends on the layout that you have. So just go ahead and click save as open if you're already satisfied with that. And of course, if you would want to send it, you will just have to email it to your client by clicking this button right here, which is email. So yeah, you will just have to put your email put your client's email here, and then yeah, that's basically how you can issue a credit note and allocate it to a sales invoice in Zoho Books. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you and have an awesome day.